Welcome to MyRenalCare. This is a short video explaining how to use it. The first page is called My Details. Here is where you can find all the information about your kidney condition. This demonstration is being recorded on a desktop computer. If you are using a smartphone or a tablet, you will see that the MyRenalCare application automatically adjusts so it fits the size of your screen. The first table on the My Details page is where you will find information on your diagnosis and, importantly, your treatment strategy and goals. This includes your personalised blood pressure targets. Scrolling down the page, you will see your list of medications separated into medication types. You will also be able to see a list of your previous medications by clicking on this button here. Next is where you'll find a record of all your communications that take place between you and your clinical team. This includes the type of communication and who the communication is from. Scrolling further is where you can contact us if you need to, specifically if it is a non-urgent matter. Let us know what your concern is and what type of contact you would like, and your consultant will get back to you as soon as possible. Your diary is where we can send you reminders for things like virtual appointments, blood tests, and reminders to check your blood pressure. To view your blood results, simply click on the My Blood Results tab. It is important that you let us know as soon as you have a blood test. Simply click on the Send Notification button, select Yes, and press Submit. Your blood results are presented in a table format. You can also view them graphically by pressing the button below. The next page is called MyCKD. This is where you can record and monitor your blood pressure, your weight, and your urine dip if it is appropriate, along with your symptoms. To enter a blood pressure, weight, or urine dip record, simply press the Add Data button and complete the form. By scrolling down the MyCKD page, you will see where you can record and monitor your symptoms. To do this, click on the Add Record button and complete the form. Remember, the more information you give us, the better we can manage your kidney condition.